Composition of functions. This is denoted by f composed of g of x. Again, f composed of g of x. And this can be written as f of g of x. So, paano ba natin yan sinasolve? Meron tayo ditong given na dalawang functions. F of x is equal to 3x plus 2 and g of x is equal to 5x minus 1. Let us find f composed of g of x. So this f composed of g of x can be written as f of g of x. At para masolve natin yan, magsisimula tayo sa loob ng parenthesis. So nasa loob ng parenthesis yung g of x. It means that equal siya sa f of, papalitan lang natin yung g of x. So yung g of x, ang value na given ay 5x minus 1. So ilalagay natin sa loob 5x minus 1. Again, dito tayo nanggaling. Pinalitan lang natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, which is the g of x, sa kung ano yung value ng g of x. Kaya naging 5x minus 1 yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Ibig sabihin, ito yung gagamitin natin to solve for f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. So let's write it here. F of 5x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 2. So instead of writing 3x, ang gagamitin natin ay 3 times yung value ng x, yun yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Yun yung ipapalit natin, which is the g of x. So magiging 3 times 5x minus 1. Then copy lang natin yung plus 2. Then, ito na yung isosolve natin. So, we need to multiply 3 to this binomial, then plus 2. And let's do this. 3 times 5x, that will be equal to 15x. Then, 3 times negative 1, that is equal to negative 3. 3 times 5x, that's 15x. Then, 3 times negative 1, that's negative 3. Then, copy lang natin itong plus 2. Then, combine like terms. So, parehas constant pagsasamahin natin. Copy lang yung 15x. Then, combine this two. Negative 3 plus 2, different sign. So, kailangan nyo mag-subtract. And copy the sign from negative 3. So, magiging negative 1. So, ito na yung answer. It means, f composed of g of x is equal to 15x minus 1. Mag-try pa tayo ng ibang example. Same pa rin yung functions na given, pero this time, we need to find g composed of f of x. Ibig sabihin, this is the same with g of f of x. So, yung f of x naman yung nasa loob ng g. Then, substitute natin. Dito tayo magsimula sa loob ng parenthesis. So, magiging g of f of x. Ano ba yung value ng f of x? So, 3x plus 2. Yun yung ilalagay natin sa loob. 3x plus 2. Again, pinalitan lang natin yung f of x ng kung ano yung value niya, which is 3x plus 2. Now, ito na yung gagamitin natin to solve. It means, ang isosolve naman natin dito ay g of x is equal to 5x minus 1. So, lagay lang natin sa baba. G of 3x plus 2. It will be equal to 5x minus 1. So, 5x minus 1, magiging 5. Yung x, papalitan natin kung ano yung nakalagay dito sa loob ng parenthesis. So, magiging 5 times 3x plus 2. Sinubstitute natin siya. Then, copy lang yung negative 1. Negative 1. Then, ito na yung isosolve natin. So, multiply yung 5 sa 3x plus 2. Simulan natin dito sa 5 and 3x. That will be equal to 15x. Then, 5 times positive 2, that is equal to positive 10. Then, copy negative 1. Combine lang natin yung constant, copy lang natin yung 15x. Then, 10 minus 1, that is equal to positive 9. So, the answer is 15x plus 9. That is for g composed of f of x. Try pa tayo ng isa. Given that f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 7, and g of x is equal to x plus 2. Let us find f composed of g of x. So this can be written as f of g of x. Dito tayo magsisimula sa loob ng parenthesis. So magiging f of g of x natin, ang value ay x plus 2. So, lagay lang natin x plus 2. It means, ito yung gagamitin natin to solve for f of x. So, lagay lang natin sa baba, f of x plus 2. Then, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, f of x is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 7. For x squared, papalitan natin yan ng x plus 2. So, magiging x plus 2 square. Tinanggal natin yung x at ginamit natin yung value ng g of x. Then after that, ang next term ay negative 5x. So, magiging negative 5. Then yung x, papalitan ulit natin ng x plus 2. So, 5 times x plus 2. And for the last term, we have positive 7. Kakapi lang natin positive 7. Again, x square, naging x plus 2 square, kasi yun yung ginagamit nating value, yung g of x. Then, negative 5x, naging negative 5 times x plus 2. Yung value ng x, pinalitan din ng x plus 2. Then, we just copy the constant here. Now, let us solve. So, dito tayo magsimula sa first term. So, this x plus 2 square is the same with x plus 2 times x plus 2. Then, pwede na nating i-distribute tong negative 5. Negative 5 times x, that's negative 5x. Then, negative 5 times 2, dapat sa parehas na term inside the parentheses. So, negative 5 times 2, that's negative 10. Then, copy lang natin yung constant sa dulo, plus 7. To solve for these two binomials, pwede natin gamitan ng FOIL method. O kaya naman, isa-isahin natin dito. Magsimula tayo sa x. Multiply muna natin siya dito sa binomial. So, x times x, that's x squared. Then, x times positive 2, that's positive 2x. So, we're done with x. Dito naman tayo sa positive 2. Multiply natin 2 times x, that's positive 2x. And 2 times 2, that's positive 4. So, we're done with these two binomials. Copy lang natin itong mga natitira pa. So, magiging negative 5x minus 10 plus 7. Now, para ma-solve natin, combine lang tayo ng like terms. X squared. Wala naman siya kapares na term, so kukopihin lang natin yung x squared. Then, for 2x, lahat ng may variable na x, kapares niya yun. So, meron tayo ditong 2x, 2x, and negative 5x. So, 2x and 2x magiging 4x. Then, plus negative 5, 4x plus negative 5, that will be negative 1x. At hindi na natin kailangang isulat yung 1. X na lang. So, negative x. So, we're done with x squared. Lahat ng x ay nakombine na natin. Ang natitira na lang ay constant. We have positive 4, negative 10, and positive 7. So, positive 4 and negative 10, that will be negative 6 plus 7. Negative 6 plus 7, that will be positive 1. So, let's write plus 1. So, the answer for f composed of g of x is x squared minus x plus 1.